When Joe goes fishing on China Lake, he isn't always worried about preserving its water quality, which may affect his family and community more than he thinks. In addition to being a wildlife habitat and a great recreation spot, China Lake is also the public water supply for the greater Waterville area. Unfortunately, even the smallest actions can damage water quality by introducing pollutants, runoff, harmful bacteria, and more into the lake. These dangers can hurt water quality, leading to algae blooms and loss of habitat for wildlife. To keep China Lake a clean and safe environment, Joe is mindful of his chemical use in the watershed, inspects his septic system regularly, and planted shrubs along the shoreline to reduce runoff. He also inspects his boat for invasive plants before every launch and always disposes of his trash responsibly. Visit kennebecwater.org to learn more about what you can do to keep China Lake clean.